There are some methods you can use right on this platform, and less disqualification will be applied. Now, that method to avoid disqualification is what I'm going to be showing you right in this video. Now, this is one of my students. Look at what he said. He said, another successful withdrawal from NICE survey. All thanks to God Almighty and Coach Joaking. Now, this is I think he has made so many withdrawals on this particular NICE survey, and he made another withdrawal, which I'm going to be showing you right. So this is another withdrawal he made, which he said, "Good evening, coach. I just placed a £5 withdrawal on NICE survey account, and I'm really thankful that I met you." I said, "Congratulations." So that method is what I'm going to be showing you if you stick to the end of this video. So very quick one, our IP analysis has been done. So this particular survey actually is what many people are into. Okay, so let's say we go into NICE survey. So I'm going to be showing you some things you need to know about this particular survey and how it works. So this is actually NICE survey. I'm going to be walking you through the process of registration and what you need to do. There are some methods you can use right on this platform, and less disqualification will be applied because most people are requesting to have a full detailed video on how NICE survey works. Now, but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever we upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And so right here, if you have any questions, you can feel free to drop them on the comment section below. It is always advisable you also join our social media platforms, which is the Telegram and the WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section after watching this video. So right here, once you get connected to your proxy, your VPN, but I recommend you use proxy for this because there are so many occasions where we have tested proxy versus VPN and we've seen the results. So what you're going to be doing right here, you can see earn money by sharing your opinion with paid surveys. So some of us are already on this platform and we are seeing the good results of it. So once you're on this platform, all you just need to do is to click on get started. Now for the new ones coming to this platform, you can see how the interface looks like, so you don't wrongly sign up on the wrong interface. All right, so you can see right here, these are how it works. All right, so you can come right here to download the app. Some person actually has a way of downloading the app and it works perfectly for them, but I wouldn't advise you as a beginner to go ahead to download the app, whether on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So right here, you just have to make sure you have a registered email address you want to use for this. So come right here where it says want to earn extra from home to cover gas or other expenses. Sign up, get paid in under 10 minutes, highest survey completion rates, works for everyone. So click on get started. Now once you click on get started, it's going to bring you up here. This is where you actually need to put in your email address or you sign in with Google. You can see right here where it says already have an account. You can go ahead to follow that process. So right here, what I'm going to do is to input the email address I want to use for this particular survey. So once I'm done, I'm going to show you the next interface where we are logged in. So as you can see, registration is successful. Now, NICE survey is actually one of the survey that you can actually find very easy when it comes to registration. The registration process does not actually take much from you. Once you have a registered email address, you can go ahead to start with NICE survey. Now, you might be asking, what is the requirement? Does it require UK number or UK ID? Now, in the process of this video, you should be finding out. So when you come down to this hamburger icon right here, you are going to be seeing the payout option and how it works. So right here, you can see that you can get your rewards through PayPal, Amazon, and some gift cards like so. Now you can see complete more service to unlock your first cash out. This is the threshold. You just have to get to this threshold and you can place your withdrawal on NICE survey. Now let's go over to this profile. Okay, the profile surveys. So once you come right here, most times you are given a first survey for you to take. So what you're going to be doing is to come down to more, then you are going to be seeing the details of your account right here. You can see the profile setting, change language, change password, notification and the likes of that. You can go ahead to read their terms of service. Now, if you have any issues on your account, you can see them right here. Issues like when you place withdrawal and you're unable to withdraw your funds from your account, you can reach out to them and you'll be giving answers to your questions. Now let's move over to surveys. Now this is a 5-minute survey. This is also a 5-minute survey. These are 6-minute surveys. So you can see that right here. So we have surveys right here. So what you're going to be doing is to go over to any of which you want to start. You can see get started on nice survey, how it works. Good surveys disappear in hours. This is where I want us to be. Good surveys disappear in hours. That's why we continuously ask questions to match you to millions of surveys available. Always remember, if you are new or haven't taken surveys in a while, you will always ask a few of those questions to match you better. Be honest. It's important to answer them carefully to reduce disqualification and ensure the best experience. Now, I'm going to be explaining and breaking down this for you. First one says how it works. Good survey disappear in hours. Now, there are lots of people into nice survey, not even talking about right now where people are into surveys more than before. So if there are lots of surveys that are good, that are actually accepting and less disqualification, you are going to be having that disappear in some hours. So it is always advisable to have a specific time where you come in to take surveys. So once you accumulate your points during this method, during this process, you are going to be having those points to your dashboard before you can't find them again, like where it disappears in hours. Now, always remember that if you're new to surveys, you're not expected to be having tons of surveys or having qualified for some surveys or many surveys. So it is always advisable to keep on taking these surveys so they can be able to match you with surveys that tallies with your profile and the kind of questions you answer. That is why it is always advisable you keep on taking surveys. Most people will complain that they actually have disqualification on their account. It is normal on surveys. Once you keep taking that is building you up for the next phase. So when your account is stable and they actually found out that you're consistent with what you do on your profile on your account, you are going to be giving more surveys on your account. So they need to match you with better surveys that suit your profile. Now, right here, they said, be honest. It is important to answer them carefully to reduce disqualification. This also matters a lot when you are into surveys. You just need to be focused and answer these things correctly, okay? So you don't have to have more disqualifications on your account. Now, the more you keep having disqualification on your account, the less you get surveys that will match your profile. So once you have more disqualification on your account, it is better you quit and you go over to another survey. All right. So right here, we are going to come down right here and click on Start Now. All right. So are you currently living in the United Kingdom? So we are going to select this and we are going to move to the next. So we collect some data to make your survey experience better. Your information is always anonymous. Okay. So agree and let's go. So right here, you are going to be entering your year of birth. All right. So go with what you already have on your template. Don't go with smile right here. So I'm coming right here. So go with what you have on your template. If you like, copy this so it left to you. So right here, I'm going to be inputting my postal code. All right. So I'm going to input my postal code right here and I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to select this. Then right here, this is the range I choose. Okay. So just follow me. You can see that the process of nice survey is actually straightforward and it's very simple. So it depends on what you want to go for. There are lots of people making withdrawals on 9 surveys. So our data is actually loading. So I'm coming right here to pick this. Okay. So remember that not all surveys are meant for you. All right. As a new user on Nice Survey, you will get disqualification. Some of you might not get to this point and you get disqualified. All right. So the reason is because you are still new to survey. Okay. Your account needs to be known. Okay. Your profile needs to match with what they are looking for. So once they actually get this, they are going to be giving you more surveys on your account. Unfortunately, not qualified, so you can still go ahead to take this survey. So that is what you do on your account. You don't actually need to get the best at first. Okay, so you just keep on taking these surveys until your account has a recognition on this platform. So once your account is recognized, you can go over and start taking surveys. Most times after all this, you can just come right to log out and log in. All right, so just make sure you're consistent with your answers and make sure you have good response and consistent with what you do on your account. So right here, I'm still going to see if we can get this right. So we just need to attend to this. We actually know that mostly we get disqualified, but we just need to keep on taking so we can meet to the requirement, because this account is too new to start having tons of service. So we just need to keep taking this till we actually get even just 1 point. All right, so that is what you should do on your account. So when you log into a new account, it is better you keep on taking surveys, keep on taking these surveys, so your account will be recognized. Not that after registering and you get disqualification, you will start complaining that your account has been disqualified, you don't have surveys on your account. So it is normal. Everybody faces that until your account goes to some certain level where you can actually see or get more surveys on your account. So that is how survey works. It is very simple and straightforward. Just make sure you are consistent with your answers. So right here, we are going to be picking this. Okay, so right here you can see start survey. You can now start the survey. So your account is new, so you just have to wait and follow the process of taking a survey. Your first survey might get you disqualified. Keep on taking other surveys so you can get to attend to more surveys. So surveys is something that once you create an account, you need to take your screener question and also take some other surveys to match your account so they can actually know what to send to your profile for your surveys. So right here, the first question asks of our full postal code. So I'm going to be putting that right here. So we are going to be entering that right here. There's a space 1. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, so this is the postal code and we click on next. What are the 2 things love about the city? Peace and love. Okay, which of the following streaming service are you currently subscribed to? YouTube. Is YouTube here? Netflix is here. YouTube should be here. Okay, there's YouTube. Okay, so we are going to put in these words right here. Okay, so we click on next. So we are going to drag this 58 to the box. Alright, so we click on next and then next. So let's wait for the next interface. So these are what you do to your account, and it actually builds your account. You don't expect to have a survey account and you start rushing over everything. The fact that people are telling that they're making a lot, they built their account and they actually took their account very serious. So you can start today and also have to build your account. Disqualification is part of surveys you get. So once you get disqualified, keep on doing what you're taught to do or what you know how to do. You're going to be getting to that stage where whatever you do on surveys, you're going to be getting rewards for it. So they have to know the kind of person you are, the kind of questions you answer to, the kind of profiling you have profiled for your surveys. So you have to know all this before complaining or giving decisions that this survey does not work for me. I advise you stick to a particular survey that works for you and you are good to go. So right here you can see 25 minus 13. So that should be 12. So let's insert this right here. Let's click on continue. Okay, so please select the red to continue. So you can see these are just questions that you can do, you can actually attend to. So there is no difficult question on surveys. So we selected the right answers, red, and we did the equation, confirm. Most times you still get disqualified for still answering something that you are sure of. So it is something that you should be very conversant on survey. So right here you can see sorry, not a match. We are sorry, but our partner added the survey early. This can have many different reasons that have nothing to do with you. You can see that. So this is what I want you to know. You can see the statement that was made. We are sorry, but our partner ended the survey early. This can have many different reasons, but have nothing to do with you. So you are not the fault that you're disqualified. As a small compensation, we have credited you 0.1. We have credited you 0.01 pounds. You can see that right here. Potential reason, new users, it's more likely to get disqualified on your first few surveys. This will get better fast. I don't know if you're getting this. Even the company of this service is telling you. You can see it right here. New user, potential reason, new user. It's more likely to get disqualified on your first few surveys. This will get better fast. So they actually rewarded you with 0.01 pounds. So click on close right here. When you come to your balance right here, you are going to be seeing that they've actually given you an additional compensation. So you can see that. So let's go back to this survey. So you can see that you have tons of surveys that you can attend to. Because this video is going to be long, that is why I don't want to go ahead to take more surveys. If I should take more surveys, you will see how it is being done. Now, if you want me to take a survey, a detailed survey question and how you can answer it, go down in this video and type nice survey, and I'll be glad to make another video immediately to show you how you can attend to surveys or nice surveys and get qualified instantly. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watch. So if you have any question, feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. However, do well to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section below and join our platform where you can actually have more chances of leveraging online into this world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.